today's Saturday, May 25th, or possibly 26th. We are at Gelwick Park in Downers Grove, and it's really nice out today, and Petey's doing some field repair work. And I'm going to pan the camera over to him. I don't know if I got that, but whatever. Yeah,
gotta get my tongue. My brother does that. And if you call him out on it, he won't cease doing it. He continues to do it. So let's see if we get
okay, I'm gonna have to shut this off. So bye.
maybe.
Oh. Okay. Are we?
Yes, we are. Retarded? Yeah.
Politically not correct. 877.
Okay, let's see if we get Nuex.
Okay. Plug it in. Yeah, we do. There's my boy. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah, he fixed it. Good.